Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. It's been another blustery day across the coastal bend. These winds today did not disappoint, getting up over 30 miles per hour, and even a couple of locations that saw those gusts close to 40 miles per hour this afternoon. You can see they're already beginning to tone down, though. Look at this gust in Corpus Christi, now down to 29 miles per hour, so that's come down a little ways. Still off to our west, things are up there a little bit heavier, around 32 miles per hour, but all these numbers are going to continue to decrease as we go throughout the rest of the evening. So that's going to be the good news. Very short-lived wind event. As for the humidity, this is what's going to continue to drop. We're going to see these humidity values hang around the 20 to 30% range as we go through the next, say, 24 to 48 hours. So it's definitely going to be very dry feeling out there to your skin. Now, the combination of the low humidity, those lowering wind speeds, and then also the clear skies for tonight are really going to send temperatures down pretty far. In fact, we're going to be headed down to around 41 in Corpus Christi. Look at some of these 30s, though, that are even popping out there in the brush country and further up the coastal plain. So it's going to be a very chilly night for us here in South Texas, all thanks to some of these clear skies. The clear skies remain for tomorrow as well. In fact, tomorrow is going to be an absolutely beautiful day because not only do we have the sunshine, we've got comfortable temperatures, high temperature around 70 degrees, and we're going to lose the strong winds from today. So that's really going to come together and make for a beautiful day to end up the week. So Future Tracker shows high pressure moving in for tomorrow. It pretty much sticks around for Saturday, which means the nice weather is going to stick around for Saturday too. But during the first part of the weekend, we're going to start to keep an eye on a cold front sitting to our north that is expected to arrive in the coastal bend on Sunday. So here's that weekend forecast. Notice what happens on Saturday, up to 78 degrees, going to get very close to that 80-degree mark, but that's because we have the sunshine. As we head into Sunday, we start to increase the cloud cover a good bit, keeping temperatures in the lower 70s. So that's also going to be due to a cold front moving into the area, but it's not going to necessarily, the drop in temperature is not necessarily going to be due to the cold front moving through, because here's what's going to happen. It's going to be off to our north on Sunday. It actually moves into the coastal bend later in the day on Sunday, and then Monday it's still sitting around here because it's going to pretty much stop once it gets here. It's just going to stall out, which means the cooler air on the north side of it is likely to impact places like San Antonio and Houston. It just doesn't look like it's going to quite make it to the coastal bend. So I think during the day on Christmas Eve, we're going to be looking for a temperature somewhere around 70 degrees. But then as we head into Christmas Day, I think regardless of what happens Christmas Eve, we start to see that front move back to the north, which is pretty much going to guarantee those temperatures there in the mid 70s for us on Christmas Day. So here's that forecast. You wake up on Christmas morning, you're already ready to get outside, 62 degrees. So it's not going to feel too Christmassy out there. Mostly cloudy skies. It's already going to be breezy to start the day, but only getting breezier into the afternoon with those winds at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Look at that high temperature around 74 degrees. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. Announcing the AutoNation year-end event. Unwrap the savings on over 100,000 vehicles, but hurry, they're going fast. So notice as we get into the first day of winter tomorrow, temperature around 70 degrees with lots of sunshine. However, what's it going to be like across the nation? Many of you may already be hitting the road, getting ready to travel for the holidays tomorrow. Plenty of rain across the East Coast and for portions of the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. But notice in the plains up there into the Midwest and the desert Southwest, that's where we're going to see the pretty clear skies that are going to be great for any traveling. A little bit of snow, though, up there into the Pacific Northwest. Bringing things back to the coastal bend as we hit Sunday, that's when the clouds start to stream into the area. Those pretty much continue through the middle of next week, and we're going to keep those low rain chances around starting Christmas Day and lasting through the end of next week. Guys, I'll send it back over to you.